Discord server setup hacks for beginner. So the first hack would be structure and navigation. Lock and vital channels. Keep hashtag rules and hashtag announcements. Read only for regular members. Use visual anchors. Add emojis to the channel. For example, you can add a question mark emoji and launch for easy scanning. Another one is group by category. Collapse channels under clean headers to prevent clutter. The second hack is security and automation. In this, what you can do is erase verification. Set safely levels to medium or high to block bot raids. Another thing that you can do is auto-assign roles. Use Discord's native onboarding or Carl bot for self-scalable reaction roles. Lastly, limit bots. Use only about 2 or 3 multi-purpose bots like Dino to keep permissions simple. So these were some few hacks that you can follow for your Discord server. And that's it.